Welcome to Banik Smart Class. I am Anjan Naik, Reasoning Faculty of Banik. So here we'll discuss a particular part of a particular chapter, and the chapter is what? Inequality. And the concept is what? Either or concept in this chapter, inequality. You know, inequality means there is a statement followed by supposed to conclusions are given, and finally we can take the answer whether one is true, second true, both true, either true, like this. So here, in which case we can do the answer either or. So mark it, there are two type of either or cases in inequality. Two type of cases. That is first case with two possible relations of the elements, and the second case that is three possible relations of the two elements. Only two type of things are there. Means one is two possible relations, second one is three possible relations of the two elements. And in which case we can do the answer either or, and what are the conditions for it to take the answer either or. Mark it. These are these conditions to take the answer either or in inequality chapter. Mark it. Both conclusions should be uncertain. Mean the conclusion may be true or may not be true. Means we are not sure about the conclusion position. And your second condition is same elements should be there. Same element in the sense, suppose in first conclusion X and Z, these two elements are mentioned. In second conclusion also same X and Z elements are mentioned. That case we can tell same elements should be there. And third condition is the most vital point. The relation possibility between the two elements should be confined or mentioned in the conclusions. Means what are the relation possibilities are developed, that relation possibilities should be mentioned or confined, means should be given in the conclusions. Then we can take the answer combinedly, either one or two is the right conclusion. And these are these 3 points to take the answer either or. I mean, these are the 3 conditions to take the answer either or. Now, practically we will apply it and we will see that in which case answer is coming as either or. So, mark it. Case 1. That is two possible relations of the elements. Two possible relations of the two elements. So mark it, here the statement is given followed by conclusion is given, and our task is whether finally we can do the answer either or not. So first conclusion based with F and L, second also based with F and L. So mark it, in the statement your F to G relation is given and here G to L relation is given. If we analyze these two parts, then we can draw a position about F and L. So mark it, come to first this one, F equal to G. Your second one, G is either greater than or equal to L. So now if we compare F with L, so mark it, first we'll take this one, F equal to G. Now we'll take between G and L, first we'll take greater than sign. G greater than L. So here we can draw the relation between F and L is what? Now F is greater than L. Now we'll take the second possible relations of G and L. So take the first one now. That is F. That is F equal to G. And your second one, that is G is equal to L. So here we can draw the relation F is equal to L, because F equals to G, G equal to L, so F is equal to L. So between F and L, mark it, two relation possibilities are developed. One is what? F may be greater than L, other one is what? F may be equal to L. But out of these two relations, which one the confirmed relation for them, we cannot say in confirmed basis. So first one based with F and L, telling F equals to L, that may be equal or may be greater, we are not sure. So this conclusion not logically proved. Second, F greater than L, F may be greater, may be also equal, so we are not sure. So second also not true. But combinedly, if we join these two relations and tell a single sentence about them, that is what? f is either greater than or equal to L. So here we can tell the same language. Here it is either 1 or 2 is the right conclusion. And mark it, what are the constants for either or in this chapter? That is 3 constants are there. First of all, the conclusion should be uncertain. So here both are not sure, that is uncertain, may be true or may not be true. And second condition, the relation possible between the two elements should be confined or mentioned in the conclusion. So mark it, the relation possibilities are what? Greater than, equal to. So greater than, equal to relations are mentioned. And one more point is there, that is what? The same elements should be there in the conclusion. So elements are F and L, same elements are there. So all three relation means all three conditions are satisfied here, and we can take the answer finally what? Either or. This is the case of, that is first case, two possible relations of the two elements. Then we go to the next case, three possible relations of the two elements. So mark it, three possible relations of the two elements. So come to the conclusion, ME. In the statement, M to G relation given and your G to K relation given, K to E relation is mentioned. So here the relations are not given in a chronological order. So we'll now arrange it in a single order, either in ascending order or descending order, and to know the relations of M and E. So mark it, first one, M greater than G. We'll take this one, M greater than G. Now we'll take this one, K less than or equal to G. Just turn it to greater side. That is what? G is greater than or equal to K. G is greater than or equal to K. Now come to this one, E greater than K. So here we can write this one, E is also greater than K. Now mark it, M and E, these two element relations are not developed here, because M is placed in the first line and E is placed in the second line. And what are the relation between the two elements? We cannot say in confirmed basis. So here we can draw the probable relations of M and E is what? M may be greater than E, M may be smaller than E, or maybe both are equal. So between M and E, three possible relations are developed: greater, smaller, equal. And mark it in the conclusion. First one telling M greater than E, then maybe smaller or equal. So this is not sure, means not true. Second is M is less than or equal to E, that may be less than, may be equal, maybe also greater. So this is also not sure, means not true, that may be true or may not be true. So both conclusions are turned to uncertain. And your both cases, same elements are there, ME. And the relation possible between the two elements are developed. What? Three possible relations are developed: greater, smaller, equal. And all three relation possibilities are mentioned here and here. And here finally we can tell the answer what? Either or. So here in inequality chapter, two type of either cases are there. That is case 1 with 2 possibilities and case 2 with 3 possibilities. In this way we can do the answer either or. So this is the concept of either or in this chapter, that is in inequality. Thank you.